Okay, I'm making chicken wings for a party, and I'm starting out with a 10-pound bag of wings. Now, if you have a larger party, you might want to use a bag of each kind. I'm making 3 different kinds of chicken wings, and I'm going to show you how I do it with 10 pounds. But if you want, like I said, you can use 10 pounds for each kind. First, I'm going to make a third of them in Oriental wings. Now, I usually don't buy pre-made products, but I've got a few here that I really like, so I usually use these. But I will give you recipes. If you don't want to buy these, I'll give you an Oriental recipe, and I also have the hot sauce. What I'm going to do is just spray this so they don't stick, and I'm going to take this third, and I'm going to just make a layer of them in the pan. Now, I've used this, I call it Oriental sauce, but it is called Yoshida's Original Gourmet. I get it at Sam's and Costco, and I've used it for years, and it's just very convenient. So what I do, I just kind of pour it over the wings before I put them in the oven. And I'll bake them until they're done, and every once in a while I'll turn them over so that they can get the Oriental sauce all over them. Okay, now I'm going to put these in the oven. Now I'm going to take 1/3 of them, and I'm going to deep fry plain. Those, when they're finished, I will make hot wings with them, and I use the Crystal hot sauce with melted butter and a little vinegar in that sauce. And then the other ones I'm going to bread with flour, and I will deep fry them, and when they're all finished, we'll put them together on a tray for the party. Okay, I've got all my chicken wings here. I've got the Oriental wings, the breaded and fried wings, and these are the hot wings. So what I did, I took a large platter, and I don't know if you can see it, but I kind of divided it in thirds. I got coming down here and then off to the sides, and then I filled in with some lettuce leaves just to cover it for garnish. So I'm going to pile the chicken wings in each third. Now, the nice thing about doing these wings is that you could do them ahead of time and put them in the freezer in individual bags, and then when you're ready to have your party, you can take them out and thaw them out and heat them up. I've done that before, and they turn out really good, especially the Oriental wings and the hot wings. You can see this 10 pounds of wings makes a lot of wings. Okay, there I've got the breaded wings on. I'm going to put the hot wings here. You might want to serve some celery sticks with these and ranch dressing or blue cheese dressing. This is a great tray for the Super Bowl games or even New Year's Eve. To take the other third, and I'm going to pile the Oriental wings there. these all three have very good flavor. The breaded wings, I use my chicken spice that I mix, and it's on the website, to season the flour. It gives it a really good flavor. Okay, now I've got all of the wings on it, and I'm just going to take a couple little tomato roses and garnish the center of it. You see how pretty a tray it makes for a party?